Okay, so we have to unload the filament for this bad boy here. So I have some new filament here that I want to use, and we have to unload this stuff. So if we sorry about the reflections, guys. Where did I see it? That extruder, is it? Unload. So it's cut the filament. Or does it mean I have to cut the filament, does it? Or is it going to poop it out for me? Or do I cut? I don't know if I cut it or not, to be honest. Do I have to cut it? Right, that's the filament cut. Okay, what's it doing now? First time I've unloaded it, so I'm not 100% sure what it's doing. It's over the poop chute. Unload the filament. Oh, well, I didn't have to cut it. Oh. There. Right, so I've pulled it out. I'd cut it and I pulled it out, but I didn't need to, so give me 2 secs. Right, so I've shoved it around. That bend there is actually quite easy for me to get it around. And I've got this wooden one on, so I've shoved it in. I'm going to have to hit load. It's going to heat the nozzle up. Sorry for the camera work today, guys, I'm all over the place. Let's see how fast it goes. We're going to get a cameo from my boys as well in a bit. So dying to see how this works. Now this filament is again Elegoo's, and it is PLA colour wood, as you see there. Just a bog standard Elegoo one. I'm going to keep the Elegoo for now, just to see how it goes. We're getting there to the 250. Bosh, right. So now this is probably, open this up, we should see. Poops them out probably. Let's see. Yeah, I can see it pooping it. And then it cleans its bum. Completed. Filament is extruded. Yep, so up, hit complete. Well, we should be ready to go, I'm hoping. So that's it, ready to go. Hi, so the boys have come for a wee cameo here for printing their table. Say hi, boys.
Hi.
Right, so I'm here. It has sent the file to the printer, so I'm going to hit that. We're going to check if we're on side B still. Yep, we're on side B. It's going to be PLA. We'll do a time lapse too, and we'll make sure the bed levels itself. So if we hit print,
Oh, it's printing.
it's done. Now it's going to level itself first. Swap over them, boys. Let's set them up. So it's going to level itself. It's going to touch the corners up,
Let me go back here.
and then it's going to start leveling.
And I won't be able to see.
It's going to heat everything up as well first.
So is it take?
Right, so it's starting to do the outline of the table. So at least it started. Oh, it's a good size, isn't it, boys?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You think that's a good size?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Happy days.
I'll
Well,
show you ones what Daddy already printed. So these are, so you can print it. So these are ones what Daddy printed so far.
yeah, so these are the test prints we've done, the wee bother and the wee benching, which are already on the machine.
I like this one.
So they're come out cool, aren't they? So with any luck,
And
this is going to come out okay.
and the other one what he printed is that.
Yeah, that's what he's pointing at there. So there it is, starting to fill the first layer, and we'll come back in a bit when he's done some more. Right, it's actually not doing too bad, I don't think. We'll see when it's finished. We'll see how it actually looks. It might work, it might not. I think I'm going to have to tweak it so there's not as many shards in it, as it were, make it a bit more curved and all. But we'll see. As you saw from the picture, the magnets aren't going to be imperfect, but fingers crossed it's going to work okay and I don't have to tweak it too much. Again, come back at the end and we'll see the boys' reaction too.
Hi guys, so it's all finished.
Yeah, looks like we are done. What do you think, Seth?
Yeah.
Finished? Yeah. Oh, not looking bad. Not looking bad at all. Okay, so as you can see, it's not perfect. You can still see layer lines there, but it does fit together at least. And there's layer lines there, so I need to look into how to stop that. I don't know. Maybe the thickness, the wall thickness needs to be more. But yeah, it doesn't go together perfect, but I'll tell you what, close enough. I'm probably going to have to tweak where these magnets go anyway. But that ain't bad. That's not bad at all. So we've got some legs from his normal
WWE
tables, don't we?
tables.
Right, don't leave it there. So, and they actually fit okay. They bend over.
But they
They'll lift up. They pop out a little easy, so I need to tweak that a bit more. What do you think, sir?
Yeah, they pop out like
A bit easy, so I need to maybe
on a day.
tweak the fit, but we're not doing too bad. Right, next, put the magnets in and see if it'll magnetise. Right, so if we look like this, that's the magnets installed. Just a press fit.
Yep.
So we'll see if it clips together. Yes, it does. Does it stand? You trying to stand it there? Happy
Do
days.
you want to get like 2 figures just to check?
Yeah, you get a wrestler and see if we'll go through it.
I'll get like 2.
Right, we'll drop a wrestler through and see. Right, so Seth.
I got Seth Rollins
Uh-huh.
and Damien Priest.
Right, and he's going to test the table for us. So you get him all sorted and ready, and we'll test and see if it works.
And after we can like lay them down and like jump.
Right, go for it through the table. Yes, works perfect.
It works.
Right, so that actually worked really well. So can you stick them back together easy enough?
I liked it, the noise.
Oh.
That's pretty easy.
Now the magnets are push fit, so we don't need to glue them in at the minute anyways.
Yeah, let's see if they like lie down. Yeah,
Right,
they
you see
do.
they'll lie down and they'll do it.
Let's see.
They'll drop it on. Oh,
Oh.
a bit of order. Go. Hey, spot on.
Yeah.
They work great. So, that's my first design. The prototype works. It needs a wee bit of tweaking for the layer lines and stuff like that, but and the legs are a bit loose, so we need a bit more tweaking for that. Well, what do you think, sir?
I actually like it. I like it when they were like fell on the the drop. I like it when they like fell, and they make a really good noise. But the legs, they're a tiny bit like they can like fall apart easy.
Yeah, they come off easy, don't they? They come away from the table. Now I do have legs that I've designed for it, so they might work a bit better. So I need to print them out and test them.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah, so they might work a bit better. Yeah, for a first experiment, that's not too bad. I just need to figure out how to get rid of those layer lines in it. But yeah, happy with that. We're doing really well. So yeah, that is the first
Table
and first of my own design printed off on the Algoo. Have to say, it is fairly simple. You just save it STL, open the slicer, it slices, sends it through to the printer straight away, and it's on the files. Or you can put it on the stick and do it that way too. So yeah, happy with that. And if you have liked the video, what do you do, Seth?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and hit that wee bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling. All interactions help with the channel. And hopefully you'll join us in the next one, where I will maybe tweak this and we'll see what else we can print.
And then like try to get like the legs.
Yeah, we'll try and get the legs and stuff and then see what else we can print. So see you later, guys, and thanks for watching.
See ya, bye.